It goes tap, hit, back. 2 tap, hits, then behind. So tap the floor, hit the beat, tap, hit, now put it behind yourself. Back, side, fall. Reverse. Tap, hit, back, side, fall. Tap, hit, back, side, fall. Tap, hit, back, sorry, that's wrong. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, right. Tap, up, big tap, don't think up. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, otherwise your foot's in a weird place to go behind you. 5, 6, think country. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, side, drop. Put behind yourself, Noah. 2, put it back, side, out. Touch up, back, side, fall. 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 Good, I guess last enough. That's the idea.